morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices eased as the US dollar firmed, retreating from a record high scaled in the previous session, while investors hunkered down for economic data due later in the week for further cues on the Federal Reserve's policy path. US stocks retreated as investors booked profits with indexes near record levels after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell flagged potentially stretched stock prices and ahead of a reading on inflation later in the week. The digital euro, the European Union's long-planned central bank digital currency project, is facing delays. The EU's digital euro could become a reality in 2029, European Central Bank Executive Board member Piero Cipollone says.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The sterling dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.